Hello kapatid, kumusta ka? May gusto lang akong i-share sa'yo. Actually, 5 truths lang to and sobrang saglit lang. Galing ito lahat sa Bible. This is the best decision that I have made and I pray na ito rin yung magiging best decision mo na gagawin right now. So, 5 truths. First truth, John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His only begotten Son, that whoever believes in Him shall not perish but have eternal life. Whoever, kahit sino ka pa. Kung maniniwala ka at magtitiwala ka sa Kanya, na kaya siya namatay sa cross ay para bayaran niya ang kasalanan mo at kasalanan ko, you can be assured right now that you will have eternal life with Him. Truth number 2. Lahat tayo ay makasalanan. Para makapunta tayo sa langit, kailangan natin maging perfect on our own. But wala ngang perfect si Jesus.